Yep. All right, so I've got some work done. I actually did some work on the sides here. I did nothing on the inner fender, but I did do some work here. It looks like maybe I did see I did this, all of that. That's a shadow and some bare metal in there that I'll take care of. This pillar, the B pillar, A pillar, and the sill. All of this I'm gonna re-prime. I think maybe one more coat, get it nice and smooth. I also did this portion here and all throughout there. I did not do the inner fender, as you can see there. I'm also starting it on the trunk. You can see the, I'll get out the light there. The difference between color. So this gray and that gray are a little bit different. I'm kind of concerned, well I am concerned about the, maybe I'm not too concerned, about the final coat of paint that I put in. I do have some more work on everything that you're looking at. I'm happy with the floor, the bowl there I need to do some work on. And I'm going to stop for a little while, grab some dinner, and come back at it, finish this off. Done a little bit of work. God damn it. Going to do some work. I'm going to finish off the trunk tonight. And I'm not sure if I'm going to re-prime. I'm going to probably do some work on, well, I'm definitely going to do some work on the stuff here. But the rest of it, I mean, I'm going to sand it down so it's smooth and call that a day, I think. Discoloration along the edge here is from moisture. It'll dry out, probably. And I don't have a whole lot left. That's probably another hour's worth of work. So I'll be doing that here in a little while and after I eat dinner. Yep. And there we go. I'm done. At least as done as I'm going to be. If this was a portion of the car that would be seen in the sun or seen every day, I'd take more time on it, but you can see some spots here. That's a normal crease in the metal, as it is over there. And I'm going to de-rustify that at some point, and then put some more primer over it before I ever paint. But fuck. I am as done as I think I'm going to be here. Discoloration between here and here actually is it's a shadow. Let's see what else. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to wash the hell out of this thing with soap and water before I ever go paint, and vacuum it, and then tack dry it, and all kinds of other stuff. So I've got this to do. Actually, these sides here, the A and B pillar, took me 20 minutes. This was another 10, so I'll be doing that. Excuse me. This is what's left. I've decided that from these points forward, I'm going to be painting all of this a flat black, so that you can't see it from behind the grill. And it's just a look that I prefer. So I've got some sanding down to do. I'm going to fix that, whatever the hell that is in there. I may need to put some body fill in there, but that's no big deal. Getting to every cranny in here is going to be a bitch. And then I'll stop up to the point of the where the goalposts would go. Other side doesn't look too bad. I got a little bit of a run here, a drip there. That's not tough to overcome. I don't know, maybe an hour or two for the engine bay. I need to do some work on the scowls here too. As you can see, there's some junk in there. I'll just need to scrape out. somehow I will overcome that. I'll scrape it off or do something with it very carefully with some acetone or something, so it's clear, and I'll put a piece of tape over it so it can't be painted over, and whoever wants to see the body number can see the body number. That's it, and I'm done for the night.